Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best air quality monitor is probably one of the most important tools for maintaining a healthy home environment. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of air quality monitors, specifically focusing on those that detect mold. We'll explore what makes a great air quality monitor, how they work, and why they're essential for protecting your family from the dangers of mold spores. Get ready to discover the best air quality monitor on the market. Number 5. WINIX 5520 Air Purifier for Large Rooms. This air purifier is designed for large rooms, cleaning up to 1882 square feet in just an hour. It efficiently removes pollutants, ensuring a fresh and healthy environment. It is also HEPA verified at 392 square feet. The WINIX 5520 features true HEPA filtration, capturing 99.99% of airborne allergens. This includes pollen, dust, smoke, and pet dander, down to 0.01 microns. This ensures the air you breathe is clean and pure. It has a washable fine mesh pre-filter. This pre-filter acts as the first line of defense, capturing larger particles. This design helps to extend the life of the other filters. The Advanced Odor Control Carbon Filter reduces VOCs and household odors. This includes smells from cooking, pets, and smoke. It helps to keep your home smelling fresh. The WINIX 5520 also uses plasma wave air cleaning technology. This feature further enhances the air purification process. It helps to create a healthier living space. What we like. This air purifier uses true HEPA filtration to capture 99.99% of airborne allergens. It also features advanced odor control to reduce VOCs and household smells. If you have pets or are sensitive to odors, this is a great choice. It will help you breathe easier and enjoy a fresher home environment. What people say. The device is very easy to use. The display is clear and easy to read. It accurately detected the presence of mold spores. Number 4. Mold Armor DIY Mold Test Kit. Worried about mold? This DIY kit from Mold Armor helps you find it quickly. It provides visible results in as little as 48 hours, so you can address the issue promptly. This test kit is versatile. You can use it both indoors and outdoors to check for mold. It's perfect for testing your home's air quality. The kit offers 3 testing methods. It can test indoor air quality, air conditioning and heating systems, and surfaces where mold is visible. It's designed to be comprehensive. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. Each kit includes a petri dish, swab, and mold growth medium. It's all there for easy testing. Want a professional analysis? You can mail in your results for an additional fee. A team of US-based microbiologists will help you determine the mold type. What we like. This mold test kit provides fast and easy mold detection with visible results in as little as 48 hours. It can be used for both indoor and outdoor testing. If you suspect mold growth in your home or want to proactively check for it, this kit is perfect for you. It offers peace of mind and helps you take action quickly. What people say. The instructions were clear, and the process was simple, just set it up and wait for results. I was able to identify potential mold issues quickly without having to spend a lot on professional testing right away. My results demonstrate that the kits are accurate. One test showed mold, and the other didn't. This proves, to me, that the kit works well to detect mold when it's present and shows negative results when there is no mold. Number 3. Airthings View Plus, Radon and Air Quality Monitor. This is the Airthings View Plus, a smart monitor that keeps an eye on your air quality. It measures everything from radon to PM 2.5, ensuring a healthy indoor environment. The View Plus constantly monitors your air, tracking pollutants like radon, CO2, and VOCs. It provides real-time data, so you're always informed about what you're breathing. Radon is a serious threat, and this device helps you detect it. It's a crucial tool for protecting your health, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Airthings has years of experience in air quality monitoring. Over 1 million users trust this brand to help them understand and control their air health. An account is required to use the device. Stay informed with live data and notifications, no matter where you are. The device and app require internet access, and your data is securely stored in the cloud for easy tracking. The Airthings app makes it easy to check your air quality and analyze trends. You'll receive helpful tips and even get a local pollen forecast to stay informed. Register for the extended warranty and enjoy peace of mind. This product is designed to last, and it's backed by a solid warranty. What we like. This monitor measures radon gas, PM 2.5, CO2, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. It provides accurate digital radon detection and continuous monitoring of your air quality. If you are concerned about radon exposure or want to monitor multiple air quality factors, this device is an excellent investment. It provides valuable insights into your home's air health. What people say. Historical data. This bad boy tracks all of your air quality metrics over time. Dashboard. Airthings has a nice application and semi-customizable dashboard which makes viewing really easy to do, and from anywhere in the world. Alerts. Always cool to have alerts so you don't even need to monitor the metrics. Number 2. LUNINO HEPA Air Purifier for large rooms. This LUNINO air purifier is designed for large rooms, effectively capturing 99.97% of airborne contaminants. It's perfect for anyone looking to improve their air quality, removing dust, smoke, and pet dander. The LUNINO air purifier uses a H13 HEPA filter to clean the air. It covers areas up to 2,400 square feet, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. This is a great choice for a healthier home. With 5 fan modes, including a quiet sleep mode, you can customize the air purifier to your needs. It also features a soft night light. You can enjoy fresh air while you sleep. Add essential oils for a pleasant scent with the aromatherapy function. The child lock prevents accidental setting changes. It's designed with your family's safety and comfort in mind. The built-in sensor displays real-time PM 2.5 levels. The timer function offers energy-saving options. The device will preheat for 1 minute after powering on. The air purifier reminds you when to replace the filter. It's recommended to replace the filter every 3 to 6 months for optimal performance. You can find the official replacement filter on Amazon. What we like. This air purifier features a high-efficiency HEPA filter and an aromatherapy function. It also has an air quality display and multiple fan modes. If you want a purifier that not only cleans the air but also adds a pleasant scent to your home, this is a great choice. It offers a comprehensive air purification experience. What people say. I like how the display shows the term air quality in green, good, yellow, fair, and red, bad, dot. Sleek, cool design with glowing blue lights that sits unobtrusively out of the way. It worked immediately on our lower floor, which doesn't get a ton of airflow and is home to our cat box. Number 1. Airthings Wave Mini, Indoor Air Quality Monitor. This device helps you monitor the levels of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, in your air. It identifies sources of these chemicals so you can take steps to improve your air quality. This helps you keep your air fresh and clean. This Bluetooth-connected monitor measures VOCs, humidity, temperature, and even mold risk. It constantly assesses your indoor environment, providing you with valuable insights into your air quality. As you eliminate VOC sources or improve airflow, you'll see the VOC levels drop. This device allows you to take control of your air quality and see the positive changes in real time. The Airthings app lets you manage notifications, check current readings, and analyze trends. It's easy to use and provides a comprehensive view of your air quality data. This unit is battery-powered, so you can place it anywhere without needing cables. A simple wave of your hand activates the color-coded air quality indicator. You can access complete readings in the app. With the Airthings Wave Mini, you get the device itself, 3 AA batteries, a quick start guide, and access to Airthings support. You can also get an extended warranty to increase your standard product warranty to 5 years. What we like. This device tracks VOC levels, humidity, and temperature. It's easy to use and cable-free, with a color-coded air quality indicator. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to monitor your air quality and identify sources of VOCs, this is a great option. It provides essential information in an accessible format. What people say. The device is very easy to use. The readings are accurate and provide a clear picture of the air quality. The display is easy to read and understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.